Alright, so today let's learn a little bit of SQL. So we'll learn the basic 4 or 5 SQL commands that you'll need. And so let's get started. Today we'll use W3 schools to practice a little bit of SQL. The SQL stands for, what does it stand for? Yes, SQL stands for Structured Query Language. Okay. Okay, let's go back. Alright, so first thing that you'll need to learn is in SQL, the first 2 statements that you'll use majority of the time is going to be select and from. So select is you telling the query language what do you want to select. Do you want to select this column? Do you want to select that column? Which columns do you want to select? Do you want to select everything? Do you just want to select the ones with the numbers? Do you want to select a particular one? That's what select is. Second thing is from. So you see up here where it's from. From will be which table you want to select something from. So in a database, there's going to be multiple tables, multiple rows, multiple columns. So this will help you identify what you're looking for, which columns you're trying to identify, and which table in that has those columns that you're trying to identify. So select column 1, column 2 from table name. All right, so let's see what else they have up here. Okay, so has this database. The name of the database is customers. That's the name of that table. And you are selecting customer name and city. Those are the columns. See up here, you see city up here and customer name. These are the columns you're selecting, and you're selecting from the table called customers. So this entire table is called customers. And let's see once we try it ourselves what happens. Okay, so it's bringing up a customer name and a city in a very well put together format. All right, another one we can do is, let's say, see what the data looks like. Okay, let's say we want to just find the field where we're looking for this contact name. Contact name equals Maria Anders. Okay. So the third command we can do is, let's make this look better. Select from and let's do where our contact name equals, let's do parentheses Maria Anders. All right, and let's run it and let's see what we get. Let's also show the contact name, that way we know what's going on. Okay. So select is going to be the columns that you want your results to show. From is going to be the table that you want to identify. That table is what is going to be used to bring those results. Where is going to be a specification, as in, do you want a customer whose name is this, or do you want the birth date to be this old? Like, let's say if you have a database and you want to see if that customer is old enough to buy alcohol or something like that, where there's a legal age limit, then you can do where age is greater than 21, something like that. All right, so let's do another one. Let's do order by. So we did where? Let's Let's do order by, but what are we going to be ordering by? Wish they had more numbers. I guess we can do customer name. Oh no, let's do contact name. Order by contact name, and we're going to be doing it alphabetically. So right now we can see it's Maria Anders #1 and Anna #2. So we want it to be alphabetical. So Anna would be before Maria. So let's try to do that. For that, we're going to be using order by. Let's do order by. It's two different words, so it's not going to be order by as one word. It's going to be order placed by. Order by, and let's do customer name. Also, these column names need to be exactly as what you named it when creating that table. Because if you do contact name without the capital N, then it's not gonna be in that field. So it's gonna be just an empty blank result. So the names of the column need to match what you're telling the prompt, what you're trying to find out. Okay, let's see. And then there's ascending and descending. I think ASC. I think it does by default ascending, but let's just check. Okay, run SQL. Okay. Order by customer name. Okay, let's change it to contact name. I wanted to see. Okay, so here currently we see where my arrow is. We see Maria Anders is #1, and then Anna is #2. But we want it to be alphabetical depending on the contact name. So right now it's showing alphabetical depending on the customer name, but we want it to be based on contact names. For that, what would you do? Okay, pause the video and try to think about it. So in order to get the contact names alphabetical, let's change this section where it's order by. Let's do contact name and ascending. Run the SQL command, and now we see that our results have changed. So it's going alphabetical, and we do have Anna is before Maria. So Anna is all the way where the A's are, and Maria is going to be all the way where the M is. Where are you, Maria? Maria, there. All right, so we've learned 4 commands. We have select. Select is going to be telling you which columns you want to select. From is going to be telling you which table in that database you want that result to be showing from. And then we did where. Where is going to be if you have a specification of you want people whose names start with A, or if you want the age of people who are older than 21 years old, or people that were born before this particular year. That's when you would use where. Order by is going to be giving you all the results in that prompt, but you can order by either ascending or descending. Right now we have ascending. Let me show you how to do descending. So keep the same prompt, just remove the ascending prompt to descending. Let's see. Let's building SQL. Okay. I think that is correct. Let's search. Okay, so perfect. So it starts with Z, Y, and it keeps going down. So all the way at the bottom should be our A list. Okay. So ascending is going to be A, S, A. And descending is going to be D, E, S, C. All right. So you are ready to get started. You have 4 things that you know. You know how to do select, you know how to do from, you know how to do where, and you know how to do order by. That should be a good, quick way to get started. Once you practice a little bit more, we'll keep continuing, we'll learn more. Thanks for watching my video. Bye.